What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video I'll show you step by step on how to draw the Grinch. Let's begin today's lesson in the center of our page with the top edge of the nose. We're going to start on the left side, draw a curve going up and then down. And curl around the nostrils, starting back on the left, go around and then in. And it'll connect the bottom of the nostrils with a larger curve coming down and then back up. Let's move to the top center of the nose and draw a fold for the brow. We're going to bend this up and over towards the left. Go back to the center, go up and over towards the right. Now we move over towards the side and draw the bottom edge of the brow. Let's start on the left. We're going to bend this out and then up. Now it's going to curve this around and then out towards the side. Now I want to add some points along the top of the eyebrow. Let's start back on the left. Bend this in and then down. Bend this up and out. Bend this back in and then down. Now I'm going to add one more point. Going up. Come in. And just bend that in towards the top of the nose. Let's do the same thing over on the right. Start by coming in. Add that second point. Come in and down. Add one more point. We'll bend this down and then in towards the top of the nose. Let's fill the inside of the eyebrows in black. Now I'm going to move to the side of the nostrils and draw the cheeks coming up above the eyes. Let's start on the left. I'm going to go up and then bend that out. Let's go to the right side. Going up and then out. Let's draw the side of the eye, starting from the eyebrow. Just going to bend the eye coming down and then in on top of the cheeks. And then just on the outside of the nose, bend the eye coming in and then back up. Let's pull the pupils towards the inside. So I'll start on the left. Just going to tuck this up underneath the eyelid with a half oval. Do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to go to the bottom of the nose. We're going to add a curve going out towards the right and then down. The bottom of this line, let's step down, add a point. Now it's going to split the mouth with a curve going out towards the left. And we'll bend that up. Go back to the center, go out towards the right, and then up. Let's add a fold. We're going to step back down on the left side, go out, up, and then hook that in. Let's add a bracket going across the top corner of the mouth. Go up and then down. Now let's add some fur going around the cheeks. From the outside of the left eye, let's step out, bend this up, and then down. And we'll add a point of fur. Let's line this up over on the right. Going up and then down, bend it back in. Now I'm going to work our way around the cheeks. Let's start back on the left. Coming around and then down. Let's add a point. I'm going to add one more point of fur. Coming down and in. And then pull that back up. Let's bend this in across the chin. So we'll start on the left. Coming down. Just going to pull that into right about there. And then we'll layer the chin on top. We're going to step back up, come down across the bottom, and bend that up and over on the right. Now we're going to go back up to the top and draw the bottom edge of the hat. Let's start right in the middle with a curve. We're going to come down and bend that up like a half circle. Now on the left side, let's add a couple layers. We're going to step down, curve this down, and up. Step down, draw that again, going around and up. Let's do the same thing on the right. Now we're going to close off the side of the head. Starting on the left, I'm just going to add a point of fur coming down, go up, and then bend that out and down on top of the cheeks. Let's wrap that fur trim around the head. We're gonna start on the left side, go around and then in, pull this up toward the top, then down. And it's gonna work our way over towards the right side. It's gonna vary the size of these curves, go larger and then smaller. And we're just gonna wrap this around the side of the head. Go out and in, we'll add one more curve. Now, we're gonna place the hat on top of the head, but we're gonna flop this over towards the right side. So we're gonna line up at the side of the head on the left, move up towards the trim, bend this up, and then over towards the right. Let's round at the top, come down, and then bend that back out. And we'll bend this down towards the tip of the hat, to right about there. Now we're gonna work our way back across the bottom, adding a fold. So we're gonna go up, and in, round up the inside, and just bend that up. Let's close off the right side of the hat with a curve. Now we're gonna add that fur ball along the tip of the hat. So from here, we're gonna step up, bend this in, around, and then up. Add another curve, coming down and up. I'll add the end, coming down and up towards the right. And it's gonna work our way up along the side, adding those same curves. And then we'll start our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. There's a cartoon illustration of the Grinch. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please make sure you subscribe because I'm posting new lessons every single week. I wanna thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.